For today's video, mga kaalom, we have to install a Yellow Plus window and sliding window in Manuela A, Las Piñas. There are 4 seats sliding window and 2 seats Yellow Plus window. Thank you, Sir Odile, for trusting us to install your sliding window and Yellow Plus window. Our sliding window is very competitive in price. Hello world! I introduce to you my partner in crime, my caring, loving, and the most beautiful woman in the world, Miss Grace Beltran. Thank you, Sir Odell, for Jollibee treat, and after the treat, we install the sliding window. First thing to do is to screw the sliding window perimeter in the wall. What I am doing now is I am aligning the panel frame of the sliding window so that it can fix it in the perimeter. After you align the panel frame, you put the center lock and use the 8x1/2 metal screw. If you are interested with our sliding window, you can personally message me or you can call me with my personal number or you can chat me with my personal account. Sorry for late reply, but I do my best to answer your questions. Please give me the height and the width of the sliding window so that I can estimate the price. We are not only making the 798 series sliding window, but also we cater the 900 series sliding window, 38 series awning window, or other high-end series. We make the sliding window depend upon the requirements and the budget that you have. After I sealant the panel frame and the perimeter, I put the sliding screen. And now, we install the Yellow Plus window. When the window is so very short, I suggest that we install the Yellow Plus window so that the air will flow inside is full, and if you adjust it in half, it is good for the small window. When you are asking why Miss Chris is my accompany, because my two installer will install in Calamba, Laguna. We are not only making sliding window or Yellow Plus window, we also make the steelworks or other tempered glass requirements or patch fitting door, depend upon the requirements of your project. I introduce myself, I am Jojo Villar, the glass installer. Nakakalo mo yung finished product po namin. Tapos isa, baba tayo. Yan po yung pangalawa. Yan po yung pangatlo. Lalabas tayo. Yan po yung Yellow Plus natin. Yan. Tingnan tayo. May stopper po yan para yung tubig hindi papasok. Pati po dyan, may stopper po yan para yung tubig hindi papasok. Okay. Try. Oh.